Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an introduction on how to use your green box. So first off, we're just going to go ahead, create a new file, call it green box or whatever you want to call it. Go ahead, click next. On the way to over here, we're going to go ahead and select our correct family. Click finish. And boom. So next you're going to create a new block schematic file. And you're going to go ahead and let me just pull up a file from before. All you're going to do is just get an input and an output right here. Well, two inputs and an output. Pretty simple. A7 down to 0, X7 down to 0. And then your Y2. Go ahead and start compilation. Save changes. Next, what you're going to want to do is take your green box and you want to connect it to your Altera 2 board. Currently, I'm going to do that right now. You want to make sure that your green box has everything connected in the correct order, or else it will not work the way you want it to. So each display has to be connected a certain way. Typically, you're supposed to go the top one to the left should be pink, then green on the right, make sure that they're right next to each other. Purple below the pink, and then brown. Most important thing to do here is to make sure that your... Did I literally just misspell green box? Okay, it's called green box now. Well, next you want to make sure that when you set up your pins, and I have an example on here, that you make sure that they're not connected to either the 5-volt or the ground. That would end up being a bad situation for you and for everyone else, because you kind of don't want to smell burning electronics. So go ahead and keep placing down your wires, and I'll be right back when I do. So once you're done using your assignment editor and setting up your green box to your Altera board, next you're going to go over to your Waveforms app and create a new pattern. And you're going to want to make sure that you insert DIO 39 through 32. Next, you want to set everything to clock. It doesn't matter really what frequency it's on, because then it'll read you the same pulse, which is exactly what we want. So with that, we have the same pulse, and if we go up to, say, I don't know, 2 kilohertz for this one, then we get 2 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz over here. Select this input, we get 2 kilohertz over here, and so on and so forth. So this is what we have going on in our Altera board right now. It helps sync everything up. It's not going to give us the signal tap like a normal one would, but it'll give us a good one nonetheless. And it'll show you an outside way to produce a waveform from your Altera board. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to your professor, and I will see you in a later video.